How to tag body text or normal paragraphs with Axayo MadeToTag. In this video I like to show different possibilities how to tag such texts. Therefore I first open up my MadeToTag using the window entry and then using the entry MadeToTag, and it appears on my left side and it will only work in task number 1, define and review export text. I just jump to my second page where all the content I like to tag is shown, and the first thing you will see is I have something highlighted in blue on my right side. This is my first paragraph here, and the blue color is indicated by MadeToTag and the highlighting feature, which I activated here, and it shows me that this paragraph is already tagged. In this case I used the function of InDesign inside the paragraph style definition to mark it as a P. I will show you, so I just jump in my text, my cursor is blinking, I switch to the paragraph style definitions and then jumping to the last entry, and this one is about export tagging, and as you can see here I assigned P inside the PDF section to my paragraph style. And this is now tolerated by MadeToTag and therefore it's marked as blue and you can see the P assignment. For the next paragraphs I now use only MadeToTag. Therefore I just jump into my second paragraph. Inside this one here I use the text tool to go inside the text, and then I use MadeToTag now to assign a P tag. And this quite easily, I just go to the list provided beside PDF tag export. It's a little bit similar to InDesign, but as you can see there are more entries, but for now it's enough to tag it as P. As shown now, it is colored blue once again, so it shows me that it's marked as a P. And what MadeToTag does, it assigns a P tag in the paragraph style itself. So if we like to go to the paragraph style definition now, we would see that there's a P assignment too. So it does not really matter if you tag your paragraph styles with a P tag inside the paragraph style definition of InDesign or using MadeToTag, but quite often MadeToTag is a much more faster way. And it's possible to work even faster as shown before using shortcuts. And this will be my next example. Inside my next paragraph I will use the given shortcuts by MadeToTag. Therefore it's necessary to activate the checkbox Use MadeToTag shortcut set, and then you have the possibility to use several kinds of shortcuts. I will now use the provided shortcut in the language section, and in this area in the export text and language section, and I will use from now on option 7 to mark my text as P. I press now Command 7 and as you can see it's now blue colored again, and on the left side in the MadeToTag section you can see the export tag for PDF, EPUB and HTML is set to P. This is the fastest way to tag content. And you can use it with several kinds of tags. The last example is the last text here at the bottom. In this case I used the assignment of automatic, which is the standard provided by InDesign itself. This will end up in a tag PDF as P2. This is the standard function of InDesign. If you assign automatic it will normally end up as a P. There are some kind of exceptions like lists, but normally if you have a body text and you don't tag them with P, it will be okay in the result. There's one problem, I try to avoid it quite often. I do not get my colored feedback, which is provided by MadeToTag. So my recommendation would be tag all body text with an assignment to the P tag using the shortcut, the MadeToTag or the InDesign function. Last thing I like to show you is the possibilities you have to even work faster with your layouts and MadeToTag. I now use the text on the left side. I just put my cursor inside the first paragraph and assign a tag by using option 7. As you can see on my left side, every text now gets blue, and the reason is quite simple. I used one paragraph style 4 times. I assigned for the first paragraph that it should be a P. It is now inside the paragraph style definition, and in the result all paragraphs using the same paragraph style definition having noun and P assignment. In this video you learned how to tag paragraphs or body text with Axayo MadeToTag.